You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. If you want to learn more vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I've got tons of fantastic videos. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. British English pronunciation. Archaic. R-K. The spelling is C-H-A, but it's pronounced like a K. I believe it's from Greek. Archaic. Stress on the K syllable. The Americans say it similarly. Archaic. All right. It's just the R is pronounced a little bit differently in the US. Archaic. Archaic. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.